All right, guys, we got a 2022 Chevy Camaro SS 6.2 liter. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Really nice car, as you guys can see. 4 converters. I don't know why they put 4 converters on this thing, but they do. So there's 2 here, 2 here. Comes with a factory X-pipe, 3-inch exhaust, factory X-pipe, factory valves there and there. Then we ran 3-inch pipe out the back on each side, there and there. And there was valves here that we zip tied away so they'll stay opening and closing like they're supposed to. They usually come on that gigantic muffler right there on the side of the tips when it goes into sport mode at certain RPM. So as you guys can see, it comes with a giant muffler that we just took off. And then we put quad tips out the back, black stagger tips there and there. Boom, boom. And it is an SS. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you guys tell your friends, share for us, because sharing is care. All right, guys, 2013 Chevy Camaro SS. So there's the 2 factory manifolds that were on it. One here, one here. Factory cats there and there. So he brought his own stainless steel works, long tube headers and cats right there. There's the long tube headers right there. Long tube headers right there. Cats right there. High flow, O2 sensors, all that good stuff as you guys can see. And then we straight piped it earlier in the year. 3-inch pipe all the way back. I thought it had an MBRP system, but it was actually just the tips. 3-inch system all the way back there and all the way back there. There it is. Check it out, guys. A lot nicer, a lot cleaner with the addition of the long tube headers. Sound decibels on it? Yeah, 117. Again? Go ahead and back it up. Try to block out the wind, guys. I like the little stripes on the side. Look at this. Again? Wow, this sounds so good, guys. Sorry about the wind. Here on the what a difference. 125. That is crazy. Long tube headers never disappoint. Earth shaking. idle. It's a good sounding idle right there. Wow, beast mode! Enjoy, guys. I'm gonna give you guys a double header. Here we go. That's his buddy. In a Charger. Enjoy, guys. Chevy Camaro SS is about to start it. Let me see your face. Give it gas. I told you, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Check out our merch, guys. Link in the description, like he said. Chevy Camaro SS, fully straight pipe, long tube headers, high flow cats. Listen to that idle. Idle's insane. I love it. Yeah, buddy. Woohoo! Beast mode. Enjoy, guys.